What's going on, guys? We are back and better than ever on the backyard mini ramp. It's been a little while since I learned a new trick. I know what you guys are thinking. I watched the videos before. You're gonna land the trick if you made the video. I get it. But this trick tonight is scary, dude. So I'm gonna be working on tail stall backside revert. I think what makes this trick so scary for me is there's not like a setup trick. Some of the other tricks I've learned, like pivot fakie, you can do feeble fakie first. But for this trick, you just have to go for it. There's really nothing to do right before it to make it a little bit easier. You're turning your body, coming back in fakie. Super scary, but we're gonna try and get it tonight. I'm gonna do some tail stall front side reverts for warm up for no other reason, but I already know how to do them, and so they're not scary. Let's get it. Dude, feels unbelievable. When I started doing that trick, I was like, well, I made a huge mistake. I thought for sure I wasn't gonna land it, but I just kept telling myself, keep your feet on the board. I finally started to get the revert a little bit, and it wasn't long, and I finally got it. Felt pretty good, but as with everything else, we gotta try and get another one. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Not gonna lie, that trick feels awesome. Like I said in the beginning of this video, that trick was absolutely terrifying. It's been a while since I've tried a trick that was that scary to me. Even pivot fakie, feeble fakie were not nearly as scary as that, because you're really turning around and then just falling backwards. At least 75% of the time, I was planning to give up on that trick. My ankle hurts a little bit from skating the other day, so every time I missed this trick, the board just slammed right into it, and it was absolutely miserable. Just took a couple times of getting a little slide to believe that I could do it, and then I just had to tell myself, keep your feet on the board. I kept jumping off over and over, so when I finally decided to keep my feet on, that's when I finally got it. This one feels good. It's another one checked off on my quest to learn every revert variation. We'll keep working on that one, get it more consistent. Until then, see you guys next time.